Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. As you know, my channel is regarding stock photography, which is regarding earning some passive income from your favorite hobby of photography. So if you are new into the channel, consider subscribing. In today's video, I will be sharing with you what is my total passive income for the month of May from all stock photography agencies. Alright, so I'll be looking into my computer while I have a screen recording on and I'll share the details with you right away. So I'll be going from the lowermost to the topmost and you can have an idea what is my total earnings. So let me share with you my total portfolio size across all the top agencies are around 3200 photos. I stopped uploading actively for the last 1.5 years and whatever you will be seeing right now is my total passive income. So I invested, now I am reaping the benefits. Okay, so I had 2 sales in Alami in the month of May. However, as you can see, the sales value are 0. It is very common with Alami. They might have purchased some pack or subscription, there was a payment reversal. Because of that, the contributor, that is me, I did not get any money. Maybe Alami got some money, but they did not give me any commission. But you must get used to it. So this kind of things happen in stock photography, but don't be disheartened. Okay, the important thing is once you get a sale, those files are ranked much higher and they have got a chance to be sold again. Okay, so allow me 2 sales but no money. Next, I have got Pond 5. In Pond 5, I had 1 sale on the 3rd of May and it was an editorial photo. Please know that Pond 5 is a video selling agency. Alright, so if you have got a good portfolio of stock footage, you will have a very good sale in Pond 5. But in my case, my portfolio consists mainly of photos and Pond 5 is good enough for me to give 1 editorial photo sale. Alright. Next, 123 RF. In 123 RF, I had 5 sales, but you know the total statistics is not available. It takes 2 to 3 days, but since I am making the video on the 1st of June, so I have to count it manually. So you can see 1 sale, 2 sale, 3 sale, and 4 sale, 5 sale, 6 sale. Okay, so I'll add all of them. Okay, I have got a calculator and I will add all of them for you. Next, better than 123 RF is Dreamstime. In Dreamstime for the month of May, I have 5 sales and $2.39. If you are wondering how to sign up in all of these sites, you can find sign up referral links in my description. I have got detailed tutorials how you can upload agencies step by step in all of these agencies, how you can sign up, what our model is, everything I have got figured out in my channel. Okay, you just need to take your time and look into it. Next, deposit photos. In deposit photos, I had 7 sales and $7.22. Okay, so it is the 4th best. So top 5. So deposit photo is my 5th best, right? Next, Wirestock. In Wirestock, my portfolio size is much less. It is around 600 photos. All right. Why? Because in Wirestock, you cannot upload the same photos that you are already uploading in other agencies, because Wirestock is actually a common distribution platform. So in Wirestock, I uploaded totally different photos, and for the month of May 1 to May 31st, my sale is $19.03. Okay. The 3rd best is Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, again my portfolio size is much less. It is less than 2000 photos because my earlier Adobe Stock portfolio got banned. My profile got banned. Actually, it got disabled. I did not claim to enable it. I will share that story with you someday how it happened. But I uploaded completely new set of photos. And in Adobe Stock, I had 50 downloads and the total income is $25.74. This is the 3rd best. The 2nd best, that is iStock, Get Images. I did not make a dedicated video regarding iStock, which I make every time, the 20th, but I was so busy this month that I couldn't make it. But for the month of May 2023, I had 72 photos sold and 36.90, that is almost $37. So iStock was a good month for me this month. Okay, and as you can see, mostly the photos belong to my most favorite model, that is my son. Okay, so my son's photos were sold. I am very happy about that. And the best is Shutterstock. In Shutterstock, I had total 165 sales and $53.17, but that also includes the contributor fund earning of 22.91 US dollars. I told you I made a video about contributor fund. What is contributor fund? In month of May, due to the previous AI sales, the agency adjusted and gave us some extra amount of money. So that is why my average monthly passive income from Shutterstock for past few months was around $35 to $40, and with this contributor fund its earning is about $53. So it's more or less average. Okay, it's not that much high. So considering that, this month iStock would have been the best if there was no contributor fund earning. Okay, so I have added all of them for you, and the total earning is 150.4 US dollar. So if you just inquiring what is 150.4 US dollar in Indian money, because I live in India, I always convert it to local currency to see the relevance of the earning. It is 12,400 rupee. As a passive income, it's actually very nice because you can accumulate this over time, and you can invest in some camera. I mean, you can invest in anything. You invest in your own way. You can buy gadgets, you can contribute it to your expenses, whatever you do. But for me, since I am a doctor by profession, by God's grace, I do earn enough to provide me, myself and my family. So I totally invest this income to buy additional gadgets. I made a video where I bought a full frame camera, a lens system, a new mobile phone, because I have been doing it for last 4 years, and over time it builds up and it gives a huge amount of income. All right, so what is your income for the month of May? Please write that in the comment section. And if you are watching this video till now, please type the code word YAM, it's opposite of May, YAM, in the comments, and I will know that you are watching this video till now. I'm very happy that you are continuing to support my channel till now, and there are many subscribers who started watching my videos since my channel, when my channel was very new, and all of them are earning, some of them are earning even more than me. All right, so I thank you all for your support. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography. Please give them the news that they can earn from their hobby of photography, and why not? The files would have been lying in hard drive anyway. All right, so please join the stock photography community. My goal in this channel is to make a strong community of stock photographers from all of my Indian and Asian continents, and also the friends who are watching overseas, we can also join the community to earn from your creativity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.